Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Magwan. The question for today is from a live webinar that I conducted. Princess asked, is there a change of strategy given the pandemic? In terms of investing in real estate, there is no change in strategy despite the pandemic. This is because the fundamentals that will affect the performance of your real estate investments are still the same. In terms of location, the good locations before the pandemic are still good locations long term. Always go back to where there is a concentration of office and infrastructure developments, both now and in the foreseeable future. However, during the pandemic, there are a lot of opportunities that have opened up. Right now, for example, many developers have offered lower payment terms from the standard 30% to as low as 15% over the pre-selling period. Some high-end developments that usually require a spot cash payment of 5 to 10% are now being offered at no spot cash down payment. So if your income is not affected by the pandemic, now is the perfect time to get your ducks in a row in anticipation of the market recovery. So always look out for and take advantage of these opportunities. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.